Barbara Heidner here from Barbara's Force Free Animal Training with Peaches and Lucille, the guinea pigs that are learning how to play basketball against each other. And in today's session, I made some progress. I was able to get down to just one ball between the two of them. And you're going to see there's still some work to go because Peaches gets a little nervous when Lucille comes too close to her, especially when she's got food or when she's trying to get the basketball. But we're making some progress, so check it out.